If your Epic Games Launcher is stuck on an error connecting to the server, or it keeps forcing you into offline mode, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the issue in just a few minutes. This usually happens because of stale background session tokens, bad cache files, or network settings that need to be refreshed. The good news is that you can fix it yourself without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to fully close the Epic Games Launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it is completely shut down. To do that, look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your Windows screen. You may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons, then right-click the Epic icon and choose Exit. This step is important because the launcher can keep running in the background and hold on to a broken session. Once Epic is fully closed, we're going to clear the launcher cache. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the run box. In the field, type %local app data %, then click OK. This will take you directly to your local app data folder. Inside here, find the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Then open the saved folder. In the saved folder, look for a folder called Webcache. You may also see versions like Webcache_4147 or something similar. Delete the Webcache folder and any Webcache variations you find. These files store temporary browser and login data, and when they become corrupted, they can cause connection problems inside Epic Games Launcher. After deleting them, restart your computer. This gives Windows and the launcher a clean start and clears out anything that may still be stuck in memory. Now, let's refresh your network settings, because sometimes outdated routing information can prevent Epic from connecting properly. After your PC restarts, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the next commands need elevated permissions. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears old DNS records that may be sending your connection in the wrong direction. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network catalog. After that, type nets int ip reset and press Enter. This resets your TCP/IP stack and helps remove network configuration issues that could be causing the launcher to fail when it tries to connect to Epic's servers. Once those commands are done, restart your computer again so the changes can take effect properly. After that, we'll make sure Epic Games Launcher always runs with the correct permissions. Find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply, and then OK. This helps prevent permission-related problems that can sometimes interfere with server connections, sign-in requests, or updates. Now open Epic Games Launcher again and sign in. In many cases, this combination of clearing the web cache, resetting the network, and running the launcher as administrator will fix the error connecting to server issue completely. If it still doesn't work, double-check that your internet connection is stable and that no VPN, firewall, or security software is blocking Epic Games Launcher. But for most users, these steps solve the problem fast. So to recap, close Epic completely, delete the web cache folder, restart your PC, run the DNS and network reset commands, and then set Epic to run as administrator. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful PC and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.